what the order was and what time to go.
Oh, that was a good lightning strike. So doing lightning strike, catching lightning strike footages, part 3. That other one said the last video I was wrong, but we're getting. Oh, come on!
You are cutting out really, really bad. I can't hear what you're saying.
I hate this. This is where the good part starts.
Yeah, that's better.
You idiot! Alright, why? Why is there no? Why is there so many trees? Stop doing so many. Jeez. There we go. We're catching some good lightning spiky footages. Oh! Let's go. Oh! Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, I remember walking in there.
So.
It was a fountain. I was like, oh, shit.
Bro,
Oh, yeah.
that is a lot of footages of lightning. That's good. That is so good. This is good for the video. Yo! Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Come on, do my strikey video. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Yo.
You have to have some.
Yo. Bro, I think this would be the greatest. Oh!
Toot it.
Oh! No.
Door, are you letting stinkies out your butt?
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Yo, peace out to you guys. Goodbye. Peace.